I'm Sarah Newell with the Winston-Salem Journal. About a year after Forsyth County voters approved a $350 million bond referendum for the Winston-Salem Forsyth County School District, about half of those projects are already underway. This includes renovations of the Conoke Elementary School, a new stadium for Mount Tabor High School, and a new middle school for Paisley-Lawrence schools. Most of the projects have gone smoothly, but there have been a few hiccups, including increased construction costs due to increased demand in the marketplace for construction projects in general. For more information on how the bonds referendum spending is going, read Sunday's edition of the Winston-Salem Journal.